Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Physiotrendz. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the question which I asked you all in Physioquest series, and for that I have prepared a small device also so that I can explain you the answer in a proper way. So now let's just go to the question. What are the information are provided? So the main information provided over here is that when therapist is checking on the patient, we are finding out that PSIS on left side is little lower and ASIS on left side is little higher. Now in this situation, what should be the most likely, including unilateral isometric contractions of left hip? So basically we need to identify that which muscle isometric activity we have to perform to reduce this deformity. And the options we have been given are option A, flexor for correcting left anterior rotated innominate, option B, flexor for correcting left posterior rotated innominate, option C, left hip abductor to correct pelvis upslip, and option D, right hip abductor to correct iliac on left side. Now guys, what is this device? That let me explain you that first, and then it will be very easy to understand this question as well as answer. Okay, so here in the question, the information what is provided to us is we are given that okay, one side of the hip, okay, is slightly from posterior side it is going lower. So this is right, this is left side, let's make it slightly lower. Okay, PSI is going low on the left side, ASI is going high on the left side. So this situation is clear. Can you see that? Okay, so left side PSIS is downward and ASIS is upward. Now we need to identify which activity, which isometric exercise is going to be helpful in this situation. So let's go to the option now. Option A says that go for flexion for correcting left anterior rotated innominate. Now this left side, can you see that it is anteriorly rotated? No, if you look at from the side, we can say that it is posteriorly rotated. So this option automatically we can eliminate because there is no anterior rotation of the pelvis innominate on the left side. So that option is eliminated. Second option given to here is flexor for correcting left posterior rotated innominate. Yes, now we can see that yes, definitely there is a posterior rotation of the left innominate, and that is why if you give flexion isometric from the anterior side, yes, we might bring this pelvis in the proper alignment. So that possibility is there. So option B might be right. But let's first see what option C and option D says. Option C says that left hip abductor to correct pelvis upslips. Now left hip abductor strengthening, if I am doing, for example, I am strengthening the gluteus medius muscle on the left side, what is going to happen? It is going to bring the right side pelvis in upward direction, because that is how the abductor muscle works. We know that Trendelenburg sign, what happens if this side, left side of the abductor muscles are weak, we will see the pelvic drop in the right side. So treating left abductor for the left innominate deformity is not the correct way of treating. So that is why this option also we can easily eliminate. Option D says that right hip adductors to correct iliac on the left side. Now right side hip is normal. If you are giving isometrics for adductors of the right hip, and here it is saying that we are going to correct the iliac on the left side. Basically iliac crest has nothing to do with this because there is no side shifting of the pelvis. Pelvis is going anterior posterior rotation over here, so that is why this option also cannot be right. So the only option which is going valid with this situation is giving isometrics for flexors in which to correct this posterior rotation of the innominate on the left side. Yes, my dear friends, that is why option B in this situation is going to be the correct answer. I hope you have understood the answer as well as the explanation for this. If you like this explanation, don't forget to comment below and as well as share with your friends who are physiotherapists and want to be physiotherapist. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel Physiotrendz for more and more questions on the Physioquest series.